as I have mentioned previously, guys, that Bank Nifty is in a range, and whenever it breaks out of this range, whether it would be a breakout or a breakdown over here, we are going to see a really good movement in Bank Nifty. And you have seen that it didn't give us a chance. Actually, today it opened at with a gap up, and many people, including myself, I was expecting Bank Nifty to go down because the data was not so positive for Bank Nifty to go up. And whenever there's a gap up opening, many people who had the long position in Bank Nifty or Nifty or many other stocks, as you can see, Nifty has also opened with a gap up. So anyone who is having a position in Nifty and Bank Nifty and is long in both of them will be booking their profit as soon as they see a huge amount of profit. And today it had easily opened with a 0.7% gap up, so that's a huge gap up in Bank Nifty. Now it did try to come down, but as there was a really good support at this level, which is 34,965, and this level is still serving as a really good support. It bounced off from this level, which I didn't expect. My stop loss got hit over here, and I had re-entered my position somewhere around this spot, which you can see, and it did go to this point, but then again I had trailed my stop loss till this point, because I know that Bank Nifty, if it comes down and if it breaks this support, then this support will serve as a resistance. And the trading of the SL was very logical, guys. As you can see, Bank Nifty was hovering at around this level, and around this level, which you can see, if Bank Nifty hovers around this level, then the call option price won't increase. And we, being an option buyer, because of the margin rules, we are not getting a significant amount of margin to go for selling side. But people who had sold put option over here in the start of the day has made a really good amount of profit, because they had eaten the entire premium. As you can see, it was more like a put selling scenario and less like a call buying scenario, because if Bank Nifty goes up like this and then this and it goes boom, then only we can go for a call buying, not like this. If Bank Nifty is going in a range, okay, and even when it's giving a breakout, it's really slow, as you can see. Then it came down, and after it came down, in order to recover that, you would not see the same amount of premium as it was previously. For example, if the call option was somewhere at around say 200 rupees, your call option at this point, which is 35,199, when it came down and next time it came up, the call option which was at 200 rupees at this point won't be at 200 rupees the next time it comes to the same level, because there has been a significant amount of time decay in it. Okay, and you might see maybe 5%, 10% decay. And yeah, the decay is happening today because it was really choppy. Okay, nothing happened in the market, but yes, as I had mentioned previously, once it breaks out of this box, we will be able to see a clear trending market. Now if I show you the big picture, okay, previously Bank Nifty was in a downtrend, which you can see. It was making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs and higher lows, and then lower lows and lower lows, and then it came down finally, and then it had entered a range for more than 3 days. Finally it broke out of the range, and now again Bank Nifty's trend has changed, because this swing low, okay, this swing high is broken once again, which is 35,113. all right, so tomorrow in the morning, if it opens with a gap up, and if it sustains above this point, which is 35,277, then we can go long on Bank Nifty till 35,490, where we would be facing the next resistance. In Nifty, coming on to Nifty, if Nifty opens somewhere in a maybe a flat opening, or if it opens with a gap, I wanted to open somewhere around here so that it takes a support at this point, which is 15,861, and it will hover around this point, make a price action, and finally go up to this point, which is 15,892, and that will support our movement in Bank Nifty. We are trading mainly in Bank Nifty, but because I think Nifty has already exhausted itself, and I think it would be in these levels, which is 15,000 to 16,000 levels, for quite some time, until we get really good news, or until this corona period finally is over. All right, again, tomorrow if it opens with a gap down also, I would be looking to buy the dips. I would be buying the dips at 35,087 if it's a gap down also. Okay, and my stop loss will be really small, keeping in mind the volume and everything, and the sentiment is really important. All right, so if you get an opportunity tomorrow, if Bank Nifty comes down to this level 35,086, definitely go for a buy. If Nifty comes down to this level 15,780, you can go for a buy in Nifty also. Okay, so anyways guys, I hope you have liked this video. I'll meet you next time with my analysis. Do join me in the Telegram group, because I share my analysis every single day, and I think you can make a really good profit out of it on a real time basis. Okay, so take care, bye.